Hello again, Year 3. This is your final topic video of week 3, where we're going to now be carrying out our scientific experiment or our scientific investigation into shadows. We planned it yesterday. Hopefully you planned it carefully. Hopefully you've got your plan in front of you, and now you're in a position to actually carry out that plan. And then obviously we're going to record the results, produce a conclusion and evaluate what we've done, because we are working systematically and scientifically. So last time we looked at that. So this week we're all about carrying out the experiment. So remember that the objects you needed to have with you were something to measure your object with, your object, and a light source. And then obviously you need a light surface so you can see the shadows as well as you can. And it's best to do this maybe in a darkened room with the curtains drawn, so that your light source has the impact and you'll be able to measure your object. So keeping the light source in the same place, I want you to measure it at 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, and 50 centimeters. Recording your results, you're measuring distance from the torch to the object, and then the distance, the shadow that creates. When you've done that, you can look at measuring the angle. Remember, so the first one, you've got to keep the torch in the same flat, so it's not like this or like that, because that's going to be your variable. Your only variable is going to be the distance. And then when you're measuring the angle, and you're going to go from 0 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, the only variable that's going to change is the angle. So you need to try and keep the torch the same distance away from your object. So off you go, record your results. When you've got your results, come back to the video and we'll look at what happens next. So you've now got your results. Is there a pattern? Have you noticed a pattern in the results? Are there any results that don't quite fit the pattern? And if so, why? What do you think happened there? If there wasn't, what does this pattern tell you? Look at the results, see what you come up with, see if you can think about why the results are as they are. So once you've got your results, you need to write your conclusion. So you need to think about what you have actually found out. Go back to your prediction or your hypothesis, which you wrote yesterday in your planning, and work out, was it right? Did you get it right? And if so, why? And if you got it wrong, why was that? And maybe use pictures and diagrams to prove that your hypothesis was right or wrong, and to explain it. And then you get to evaluate your test. Was it a fair test? Were there only one changing variable each time? If not, you might want to repeat it making it a fair test with only one variable. So what went well? What was good about the test? What could have made it really even better if you were to repeat it? What could make the results even clearer if you were to repeat it? Maybe there's nothing. Maybe you did it really, really well first time. And then think about what you might want to investigate next. You can investigate anything you like. Okay, that's the end of year 3. Thank you, and particular thanks to Jessica and Jeevan. I've seen some lovely pictures that you've made to thank the teachers for all their hard work. Really appreciate it, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.